Opening a children's account with Santander is a great way to teach your child about money management and help them develop good financial habits from a young age. Here is a step-by-step guide to opening a Santander children's account. First, you need to check if your child is eligible for a Santander children's account. The account is available to children aged between 1 and 15 years old. You can apply online or in a branch. To apply, you will need to provide identification for yourself and your child. This can include a passport or birth certificate for your child and a passport or driving license for yourself. Once you have all the necessary documents, you can begin the application process. If you are applying online, you will need to fill out an application form on the Santander website. If you are applying in a branch, you will need to speak to a member of staff who will guide you through the process. The next step is to choose the type of account that is right for your child. Santander offers a range of children's accounts, including the 123 mini current account and the kids regular saver. The 123 mini current account is a current account designed for children under the age of 13. It comes with a contactless debit card and allows your child to manage their account online or through the Santander mobile app. The Kids Regular Saver is a savings account designed for children under the age of 18. It offers a competitive interest rate and allows your child to save a fixed amount each month. You can compare the different accounts on the Santander website to see which one is best for your child. After you have chosen the type of account you want to open, you will need to fund it. The minimum amount you need to deposit to open a Santander children's account is £1. You can fund the account with a debit card or by transferring money from an existing account. Once the account is open, you can help your child manage it by setting up online banking or using the Santander mobile app. This will allow your child to check their balance and transfer money between accounts. You can also set up regular transfers from your own account to your child's account to help them save. It is also a good idea to set boundaries and rules for your child to follow when using their account. This can include limits on how much they can spend and rules about when they can use their debit card. By teaching your child about money management and helping them develop good financial habits, you can set them up for a secure financial future. Overall, opening a Santander children's account is a straightforward process that can help your child learn about money management and develop good financial habits. By following these steps and setting clear boundaries and rules, you can help your child make the most of their account and set them up for a secure financial future.